So the Reggae Boyz escaped with a close win over Trinidad and Tobago today. But bigger picture, with the resumption of the World Cup qualifiers drawing near, the team is still unsettled. Coach McLaren, like the rest before him, is still searching and looking for players. From game to game, I don't know the starting lineup. You don't know the starting lineup. And I bet you, Steve McLaren don't know the starting lineup either. And trust me, we might get by teams like Trinidad and Tobago. But this instability and the lack of team cohesion will come back to haunt us when it matters most. Since the arrival of Steve McLaren, the Reggae Boyz are now full-time proponents of chaotic football. So yes, we beat Trinidad and we qualify for the final of the Unity Cup. Yay! But who McLaren gonna start in the final? If I gonna start Cephas? If I gonna start Dixon? What about Ravel? You feel him gonna start King? What about Angel Blake? You gonna send for the goalkeeper? Who never play? Who never play at left back? You gonna start it? Who gonna start at right back?